All right, welcome to the first course. Let's dig in. And the first topic is one that is pretty common, and this is something that people regularly talk about when they talk about business development, is they basically say business development and sales, they're exactly the same thing. And that's very wrong. If that's the case, then you're not doing business development, you're doing sales, and they're actually quite different. And we'll dig into that now, actually. So before we get too deep into this, I apologize for the handwriting. That's just the way it is. But I will try to write as cleanly and as clearly as possible. So I apologize for that up front. But when I think about when you think about sales, the function of sales is very simple. The salesperson here, they're this circle here. Their goal is pretty simple. They have a product in most cases, right? The goal of the salesperson is to sell directly to the end customer, right? So this is a customer. That is the function of sales. It is one-to-one direct selling. That is what sales is all about. Now, business development, on the other hand, is actually quite different than that. And I'll start using the acronym BD pretty consistently throughout this course. So BD is just another term for business development as well as biz dev, so you can kind of use those interchangeably. Now, biz dev, on the other hand, so here is the BD person. Their goal is to work through partners, which is this circle, who then sells to the end customer. So in essence, the biz dev person here, in this case, and in a lot of cases, the goal is to work through a partner, whether that's through an OEM relationship or a distribution relationship or there's a lot of different examples, and we'll dig into those a little bit later. But from a very holistic, simplistic standpoint, this is how you need to think of sales, very direct. Business development is the art of working through partners to reach end customers. So it's a very small difference, but it's a very important difference. And there are sales tactics needed to be really good at business development, but that is a very, very small piece. So that's kind of the difference. One other piece that may be interesting to talk about is I actually think about business development kind of as somewhat of a marketing function. So if you think about marketing and sales on a scale, so marketing is kind of sales as well, but if you think about the two on a scale, let's put sales down here, and let's put marketing down here. Now, if you think about business development on this scale, it kind of falls somewhere about right here. So it's not this. It's kind of more down here, and it takes a lot of the tactics and the measurement components and the brand awareness components, and it brings all those kind of together. So it's a very diverse type of function, and you'll see that when we dig a little bit later. But this is kind of just some quick diagrams to help you put that, kind of frame business development in your mind. And now let's actually dig into the details of that.